Hi, my name is Christine Fader and I'm a senior esthetician at Spirit Spa. Welcome to my home bathroom. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring a little bit of Spirit Spa into your home. If you find yourself with a little extra time on your hands, it's a perfect opportunity to show yourself some self-love. I'm going to be showcasing the newest Mangosteen Bliss collection from Eminence in a treatment that you can do at home for yourself. But don't worry if you don't have the products, you can easily substitute them. The key here is just to spend a little extra time on yourself and give yourself some love. Step one of the at-home treatment we're going to do today is cleansing. Now this isn't just ordinary cleansing. This cleanser also has lactic acid, so it's a little bit exfoliating. It's a 2-in-1 step so that your skin is properly prepared for the products that you're going to put on after. The cleanser we're going to be using is the Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Cleanser, a gel cleanser that is suitable for all skin types, so even the most sensitive skins can use this. When you add water, it really works into a beautiful creamy lather, and rinsed off leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated, so not too strict. We're going to boost it and add that exfoliation by adding the strawberry rhubarb dermafoliant, a rice-based powder and lactic acid that actually helps to resurface the skin and smooth out any rough textured areas. So these two together are your cleansing and exfoliating all in one. After cleansing, I need to balance the pH of my skin and give it a little antioxidant boost. So I'm going to be spritzing on the Mangosteen Revitalizing Mist. Not only does this feel amazing on my skin, but it also smells amazing. So when you're using this product, be sure to take a deep breath and really enjoy the scent. The final step in our at-home mini treatment today is the use of a concentrate and a moisturizer. My concentrate will be the Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Concentrate. It has a percentage of lactic acid in it, and the Mangosteen leaves your skin feeling buttery soft. A favorite of mine in facials. I always finish clients with it if I can. The other product we'll be using today is the Mangosteen Gel Moisturizer, a lightweight gel textured hydrator for normal to oily skin types. It has ribose as well as red clover extract, which also help to refine pores. So if that is a concern of yours, absolutely great product for you. If you have a tendency towards dry skin, you might want something a little bit richer. So absolutely feel free to substitute. But both of these products are going to leave your skin radiant, glowing, and ready for anything else you want to put on, such as makeup or sunscreen. I really hope that everyone finds a little bit of time to practice some self-care in the following weeks. We currently have free shipping in our online store, and all of the products that I use on myself today can be found there. Don't feel like you have to use what I use though. Any product that you have at home would be suitable for your skin type. Do you have a question for us? Do you have content that you'd like to see? Drop us a DM or comment below and we will make a video for you. In the meantime, take care and stay healthy.